Hi guys, it's Janet back with another project from our team's recent quarterly Make and Take Fest. This one features a really simple, easy bottle tag that uses the Bubble Over bundle from the Spring 2018 catalog, and then features designer paper that is one of the free offerings that coordinates with it from the Sale-a-bration catalog. So let's make this sweet little project together. If you blink, you might miss it. We're starting with a piece of cardstock that is 2 inches by 6 inches long. We've cut a little coordinating piece of the Bubble Over Sale-a-bration paper, and I'm going to go ahead and adhere that just so that there's a little edge down here at the bottom. And oh my goodness gracious, did I move it on us? Oh no, I'm so sorry. Well, you would use the 1 3/4 inch punch to punch a hole here so that you have an opening like that. So that's what's missing, is that punch. So let's just like pretend like there's a hole there. So you're gonna put a hole there. I stamped the bottle with the Lucky Limeade Lemon Lime Twist, excuse me. And we've got a little tag that says "Have a Birthday Brew" that is stamped with our So Saffron and Bermuda Bay. I used the circle punch to punch a circle, and then I used the silver foil and one of the framelits to do the little bottle cap. So lots of fun little pieces that are part of this set. So we can go ahead and start to build this up. And let's just put our circle down. And you could use dimensionals at any point along the way if you wanted to pop, anything up and make it stand up that much more. There's not a lot of rules. There's our greeting. And let's take these tiny little, I love these little bottle caps. They just make me smile. And there's size for the different bottles that are part of that framelit set. And then one of the things that we would want to do is we'd want to take our trimming tool, and after the circle is punched just a little bit below it, you just want to add a score line. And that score line is just going to allow you to have a little bit of a fold, and then that's what's going to allow it to hang over the bottle just like that. So, I mean, seriously, guys, if you blinked, you missed this. The only other tip for you is on rounding this. Use a circle framelit, and the way that works is you go over and under, because I only wanted to cut the very top. So I'm going to slide this in, and it's going to sit at that very top, and I'm only going to die cut. I'm only going to kind of run it a little bit through, and then I'm going to back it out real fast again, and I'm just rounding that top with the framelits. You're going to go over and under. That way this cutting surface really has nothing to cut, okay? So it's a great technique. It adds a lot of length and versatility to your framelits being able to do something like that. So another fun project from our recent Make and Take Fest. Hopefully you're registered for our January event. Thanks, guys.